Okay, Izzo drum kit skins. I've got a couple to do. I've got 3 to do with these, and I've also got a bigger one to do. And the main base one's been done. They've come in and done that. But we've got broken skins. You can see they've been pierced. All of them have got breaks in them. And then we've got the new ones to go on, which I'll just so I can show you that. As opposed to, that's the difference. So I'm going to repair these and I'm going to show you how I'm doing it. I think you're looking at about 6mm for these. So I found this in the drawer. That's absolutely perfect. Get that in focus if you can. And what you're going to do is drop them down, not all the way off, just enough, and then that's it. I'll just pop down like that. Okay, so you need to undo them all, and then the rim comes off, and then the skin comes off. And all we need to do then is in reverse. So put the new skin back on, put the rim back on, and what I'll do then is put one side in first, so if you can see. And just clinch it down finger tight. Okay. I'm going to do one on the opposite side. So up. There you go. And just. So I've got 2 in, and that keeps the rim in place. Then the art is just to keep popping the next one in. As you can see that. Okay, I'll carry on with the rest. Okay, so tighten each one by hand, nice and tight, just finger tight, and now I'll go around and tighten them opposite sides and get it all spot on. You can judge it by the amount of thread coming out the bottom. Oh, sorry, can you see that? So you can judge each one by the amount of thread coming out. That's what I'm going to get. That's what I'm gauging it on. There we go. So each one, when you start going around, you cinch them down, and then you realise that they start getting tight. Don't over tighten them because you'll bend this shaft, this piece. You don't want to do that, okay? Let's see what they sound like. All right. As opposed to, there we go, piece of cake. Once you get used to it, it's easy. Then just undo them all. Ring off, cover off. New one back on, ring back on, and I'll just put these back round again. Okay, you're looking at 5 minutes to drum, 15 minutes for a full set of 3 here. Done. Piece of cake. So Izzo grossa. Anyway, there we go. Piece of cake. If you enjoyed the video, give it a thumbs up and a like. That would be great, and we'll catch you in the next one. All the best.